Good morning students. Today we will start gravitation chapter. In gravitation we will see activity 11. Identifying the center of gravity of a ring. Find the center of gravity of a ring using the method explained in the above example. Where does the center of gravity of a ring lie? Does the center of gravity of a body exist outside the body? Does center of gravity of an object exist as a point where there is no mass of the object? What you have to do for checking center of gravity? Draw a vertical line. If a vertical line is drawn through the point of suspension, the center of gravity lies somewhere along the line. To determine exactly where it lies along the line, we have only to suspend the object from the other point and draw a second vertical line through the point of suspension. The center of gravity lies where the two lights intersect. If you are keeping a point over here and hanging it and another point where these 2 points are meeting, this is called the center of gravity. Next topic is stability. The location of the center of gravity is more important for stability. Where you are pointing out center of gravity is more important. For what? Stability. If we draw a line straight down from the center of gravity of an object of any shape and it falls inside the base of the object, then the object will be stable. Where the center of gravity is there you have to draw a line. There you can find the stability of the object. If the line through the center of gravity falls outside the base, then the object will be unstable. If the line is drawn which is outside of center of gravity, then the object will not be stable. Next, activity 12. Shift of center of gravity and its effects. When you stand erect, where is your center of gravity? When you are standing straight, where is your center of gravity, ma? When you are standing in this position, your center of gravity is here. When you are standing here, where is the center of gravity? Try to touch your toes as shown in figure 20a. Try this again with standing against a wall using this one. Are you stable to touch your toes in second case? No. What's the difference do you notice in the center of gravity of your body in above two position? Here freely you can touch your toes because the center of gravity depends on here. Here you cannot because the center of gravity is not present over here. Okay. What we have learnt: motion of a body with constant speed in a circular path is uniform motion. The acceleration which causes changes only in the direction of velocity of an object, circular motion, is called centripetal acceleration and is always directed towards the center of circle. And Fc, centripetal circular force, is mv square by r. By this we completed our gravitation chapter. Okay, thank you students.